Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Wajahat from Herald City School, and I am going to teach you Computer Science of Sin Textbook Board for grade 9. Unit number 5, Computer Security and Ethics. And in this video I am going to teach you about these topics. Hacking. Hacking is perhaps most common cybercrime. Hackers steal Wi-Fi, email and social media accounts. They can also steal sensitive information from government. Credit and debit card scam. Scammers set small machines inside ATM or credit card machines. Scamming machines copy the data and it can be misused by scammers. Phishing. Phishing is a method of trying to gather personal information using false messages and websites. Purpose of phishing is to steal identities, passwords and bank accounts. Clickjacking. There are some links or messages on internet like click here to get bonus or any interesting link. So these type of links and fraud messages have malware inside them, or personal information can be transferred by clicking it. Cyberbullying or harassment. It includes blackmailing and threats, passing inappropriate comments and leaking personal information. Cyber attack. Cyber attack occur when cyber criminal enters a computer or network by any illegal method. It disables the targeted computer or steals personal information. Cyber Rescue Helpline. In case of becoming a victim of cyber attack, first thing is to report trusted people like parents and teachers. In Pakistan, National Response Center for Cybercrimes has been set up to help the victims of cybercrime. Victims may register their complaints on its website or call helpline 9911.